15 Early symptoms of pregnancy before missed period. 1. Mood swings. It's common to have mood swings during pregnancy. This early pregnancy symptoms before missed period is caused because your hormones go crazy and can make you emotional, depressed, or anxious. It gets more evident at later stages of pregnancy. Hormones like estrogen and progesterone levels shoot up during pregnancy. This increase affects your mood and you tend to react quickly and get emotional. This pregnancy symptoms before missed period can cause feelings of depression, anxiety, and irritation. Every mom-to-be shows a different response to these changes. Some women experience heightened emotions while others feel more depressed and irritated. Always remember that mood swings are completely normal. But if you find yourself suffering due to prolonged sadness or depression, you should seek help of a counselor or mental health professional. 2. Sore breasts. In many women, changes in breasts may provide one of the first symptoms of pregnancy before a missed period. Breasts may change in size or become swollen, sore, tingly, and tender. Some moms-to-be also feel fuller and heavier breasts. Rising levels of hormones may lead to growth of breasts and they become sensitive. The soreness and swelling is like an exaggerated version of how your breasts feel before your period. Initially after conception during first 2 weeks, the areola E. The area around the nipple may change to a darker color and grow larger. Although, your pain and discomfort will become less, significantly after the first trimester, since your body will adjust to the hormonal changes. Besides pregnancy, there are many other issues that can be related to breast changes. So if you are getting a repeatedly negative pregnancy test, consult your doctor. 3. High basal body temperature. A higher basal body temperature can also be one of the pregnancy symptoms before missed period. Basal body temperature is nothing but your oral temperature when you first wake up in the morning. If you have been charting your basal body temperature to track ovulation, you know that this temperature increases slightly after ovulation. It remains at that level until your next menstrual period. If it continues to increase for more than 2 weeks, it can be considered as an early pregnancy symptoms. In fact, your body's core temperature may also increase more during exercise or in hot climate. So remember to drink more water and exercise cautiously. 4. Frequent urination. You may think this can't be early signs of pregnancy before missed period, as it is said that when the baby grows and starts pressing on your bladder, frequent peeing starts. But at times the extra blood pumped to the kidneys, which begins right away, can also cause them to produce more urine. Hormones play a large role in bladder activity. You tend to take frequent bathroom breaks as your bladder fills more quickly. Frequent urination will continue and rather intensify during later months of pregnancy. 5. Fatigue/tiredness. Feeling tired and exhausted all of a sudden? Fatigue and tiredness are common among the early symptoms of pregnancy before missed period. No one knows for sure what causes this, but it is believed that progesterone hormone levels shoot up during early pregnancy and contribute to sleepy feeling all the time. During this time, lower readings of blood pressure, depleted blood sugar levels, and high pumping of blood to kidneys together make you sluggish during pregnancy. Morning sickness and frequent urination add to the misery of moms-to-be. Fatigue can develop any time during pregnancy. 6. Cramping. Cramps are nothing but pulling sensations that generally happen along the sides of your belly. Some women mistake them for the start of their menstrual period. Cramping results from normal changes that occur during development in pregnancy. Although this is a rare sign of pregnancy before missed period, but is noticed during many pregnancies. It's hard to tell, is it pregnancy or PMS? But if you're feeling crampy, maybe your uterus is stretching to get ready for a baby. In many scenarios, it is a normal symptom of pregnancy. But if you experience severe abdominal pain that doesn't go away, you must visit doctor. 7. Bloating/constipation. Similar to symptoms of a menstrual period, bloating is another early pregnancy symptoms before missed period. An increase in female hormones causes food to pass slowly through the intestines, which can lead to constipation. It can also bring your digestive system down. As a result, you may feel constipated and blocked. Hormonal changes in early pregnancy in turn also increases feelings of abdominal bloating. So it's not unusual if your clothes may feel more tight than usual at the waistline. 8. Weight gain. Weight gain is an early pregnancy symptom, though it becomes more common and evident towards the end of your first trimester. You may find yourself gaining about 1 to 4 pounds. The calorie requirements for early pregnancy don't change much from your usual diet, but they will increase as pregnancy progresses. Check pregnancy weight gain calculator tool. 9. Vaginal spotting. When ovulation and fertilization have happened, the fertilized egg attaches itself to wall of the uterus, which is called implantation. This can cause one of the early signs of pregnancy before missed period, i.e., implantation spotting/bleeding. A minute amount of vaginal bleeding can possibly be initial symptoms of pregnancy. This is generally a little lighter in shade and earlier than that of a normal menstrual period. It also doesn't last for long. If you are also experiencing this early pregnancy symptoms, then please do not lose hope. Maybe it's not period, but a good news waiting for you. 10. Food cravings/food aversions. When you're pregnant, you might start hating certain foods, such as fried foods. Food cravings are also common. If you're newly pregnant, you may start loving foods that you hated previously. You may run away from your favorite pizza. Certain food aromas may attract you to eat them. Expecting women seek or crave for foods are different from one woman to another. Though we are not sure, but this may be a side effect of crazy hormonal changes in your system. It is okay to pamper yourself by fulfilling those cravings and avoid foods you don't want to taste. But be sure of the nutrition and health quotient. 11. Nausea. Morning sickness is a most common and classic pregnancy symptom before a missed period. For some ladies, it begins very early. It happens due to rapidly increasing levels of hormone estrogen. Pregnancy in women also increases their smelling sense. In early pregnancy, different smells like cooking of food, perfume may cause nausea. Nausea and morning sickness develops around the 4th to 6th week. It can occur anytime during the day or night, although it is called as morning sickness. 12. Backache/headache. In early pregnancy, different hormonal changes may increase blood flow in body, which in turn may trigger slight headaches repeatedly. Experiencing headaches is one of the signs of pregnancy before missed period. Women who discover that they are pregnant also report lower backaches. This symptom can occur with the onset of pregnancy, but it is often experienced later as the pregnancy progresses. 13. Fainting. This is a go-to symptom they use to show pregnancy in movies, but it's early symptoms of pregnancy before missed period. As your blood pressure lowers and blood vessels start to dilate, you may feel dizzy. In early pregnancy, low level of blood sugar can also be the reason for fainting. Make sure you eat enough and stay well hydrated. 14. Sensitive nose. Even before the nausea and morning sickness, some pregnant women develop an extremely heightened sense of smell. Perfumes were so overpowering. Ordering bland foods from outside. Avoiding cooking for several weeks are a few examples. If you are repulsed by specific smells or have suddenly developed an increased sensitivity to odors, it may mean an early pregnancy symptoms. 15. Nasal congestion. This one is another rarely experienced symptoms of pregnancy. Heightened levels of hormones and extra blood flowing to the kidneys causes swelling in the nasal mucous membrane. It gets dried and starts bleeding easily. This may result in a runny or stuffy nose.